Back everyone, you may see that on your TikTok profile account, you are missing this specific option of turning on your profile view history. Now for me personally, this is also missing. So if I make my way over to my profile, you can see I do not have that option on the top right corner. Now the reason for this is it's totally okay, things like this happen. The reason this is happening is because this specific feature hasn't been rolled out to my specific area. So the reason why this happens sometimes is TikTok releases a feature and sometimes you may have to update the app and everything, but even when you do all those stuff, but even when you do all those things, you will still have to wait until TikTok pushes out that update for your area. So in this case, even though other people have that eye right there, we don't have that option because it's just not enabled. So the first thing I would recommend doing is to make way over to your TikTok app. You want to click on the inbox option right here, and you want to see if you click on the top little drop down here from TikTok, and if you click on from TikTok here, you just want to see if there's any options here that says something like, TikTok, enable profile views or anything like that. I don't know if you can do this on a business account, but you can do this personally on your personal account. So you want to go here and you want to see if there's any little thing that comes up that says something even remotely close to that says enable personal privacy, enable profile views mode, or anything like that. So once you have that set up, all you have to do is go back to your profile view and you should see the eye right there. If you still don't see that option, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making your way back into your app store. So you want to go ahead and find your app store, Google Play Store, whatever it is. You want to search up the TikTok application and you just want to open up this TikTok app. Now, this is probably the best thing you can do because if you're on a very outdated version of TikTok, updating the version of TikTok will pretty much fix that, specific problem for you. So what I'd recommend doing here is going into this app, clicking on install or clicking on update, whichever option you have, updating that application, making your way over to TikTok and seeing if you have that eye icon there. If it's still not there, you can check your inbox again, get back in the profile, see if it's there. If it's still missing, then again, it's pretty much not rolled out to your area. So you'll have to wait until it's pretty much, shown everywhere. If it's still not showing up and it's been like a couple days or a couple weeks, then you can even reach out to TikTok and ask them, when's this feature coming out officially for my device? And you should hopefully see it sooner than later. So that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.